If you're a seller and your house is going on the market and your agent is bringing a professional photographer to take pictures of your house, here's what you need to do before that appointment. Inside, all lights should be put on, including any table lamps. Take up small area rugs that are hiding nice floors just to showcase them. All window treatments should be open, unless you can see the house next door, then not. Then declutter every single room. Take down restraining gates if possible. Nothing should be able to put a date on your picture like holiday decorations, and you should always replace dead light bulbs. In the bathroom, you should always keep your toilet seats down. Shampoo bottles should be put away. No robes or towels hanging on hooks. You should declutter countertops. No bath mats on the floor. No plungers or toilet brushes. In kitchen, minimize the amount of small appliances on the countertop. Just hide them. No dish drying rack, no dish towels, no garbage cans, no dish soaps, no clutter on top of the refrigerator as well as on the refrigerator, and no pet dishes. Outside, there should be no cars in the driveway, no visible garbage cans, no visible garden hoses. Patio furniture should be neat. Pool tools and toys should be put away. Front door should be closed, and no political signs. If you have questions, call me.